Hello, my name is Hao Lam. I'm currently a senior at Florin High School. I was born in Vietnam and I came here when I was 3. So I am first generation low income and the first in my family to graduate from high school. So it's a really big moment for us and my parents are really proud. So top 5 schools that I got into were UCLA, UC Berkeley, Washington and Lee University, which I got a full ride for, UC San Diego, and Georgetown University. And out of those top 5, I'm really considering going to Georgetown right now. I visited this summer and I really liked the campus. I liked Washington, D.C. a lot. I think for my major of economics and possibly public policy, it's a really good school. Well, my current GPA is 4.32. So when I talk about my high school experience, I cannot forget ASB. It was basically the foundation of my college application process. I had the chance to start our videography team where we really expanded on showcasing students and events around campus. I've also had the chance to help manage our multicultural week. We celebrate student diversity. I've had the chance to serve as ASB Vice President as well as ASB President, where I help establish the Student Advisory Council and really bring change on campus. I've also been a part of the Vietnamese Student Association, which is a cultural club I founded in my freshman year. I'm looking forward to the new connections I'm going to make because I think that was also the biggest part of my high school experience. And in college, I know I'm going to just keep making those connections that would last me for a lifetime. Something special about Florin High School is how truly caring the staff is. They will do anything for their students to help them succeed. The last thing I want to say is just thank everybody who has been a part of this experience, and to the underclassmen, just make the most out of your 4 years because it does pass by really quick. Try to challenge yourself so that when you get to graduate, when you get to apply for college and all of that, your experience represents who you are authentically.